guys, I'm Shanna with lifefullandfrugal.com, and today I'm sharing a delicious and super easy recipe for chicken tacos. This recipe is perfect for weeknight dinners when you don't have a lot of time and you need something that you can throw together really quickly. I really love this recipe because you can serve it in so many different ways. You can use it as a filling for burritos or quesadillas. You can serve it over chips like nachos. I've even used it to make a soup. It's so easy and it tastes so good. You can even make it in the middle of a kitchen renovation. So go ahead and grab your grocery list because this is what you'll need. All right, y'all, I hope you enjoy the recipe. If you give it a try, go ahead and let us know in the comments how you like it. I hope it's something that you can add into your rotation. I know I'm always kind of looking for something new. We tend to get in a rut in my house, so if you try it, let us know how you like it. And as always, we want to go ahead and invite you to like, share, and subscribe so you never miss any of the good stuff that we have for y'all. We hope you have a wonderful day.